Hi, today I'm going to share with you 5 proven strategies for keeping audiences engaged in your presentation. Doesn't matter what kind of presentation you're doing, these strategies still apply. If you're looking for a tool to create your slides in, Canva is a great free option. Now let's jump straight to it. Number 1, keep it simple. We've all seen the slides that are doing too much. Too much animation, too much text, fancy fonts that are hard to read. People spend way more time trying to understand visually what's on the slide and miss the message that you're trying to convey. So keep it simple. Use easy to read fonts, limit the number of colors that you're using, and take advantage of the white space. Think of it as minimalistic slide design. That way people can focus on what you're saying, but because you're using some visual elements, it'll be more memorable. Remember, people only remember about 20% of what they hear and 30% of what they say. Number 2, use storytelling. Storytelling is a great way to connect with your audience. Make sure that you use your slides to create a visual narrative of your story, and make sure that the story flows from slide to slide as you progress through the presentation. You can use analogies, anecdotes, and case studies. All of these things make it more relatable. The first time I heard this, it really hit home for me. People may not remember what you say or do, but they will remember how you made them feel. So storytelling is a great way to make that connection. Number 3, use images, charts, and graphics strategically. They can visually represent your story. Images should be high quality and be related to the story that you're telling. Charts and graphs are a great way to enhance your audience's understanding. Just make sure that you're using royalty-free images. Number 4, pick a theme. Start with a color palette that's brand consistent. Use 1 or 2 fonts across the entire theme and keep your font sizes and styles consistent. Fonts should be large enough so that the people in the back can see. Even if you're presenting virtually, avoid the use of font sizes lower than 14 points whenever possible. Number 5, use bullets sparingly. There are so many different ways that you can present the same information in different layouts. If we were to go back to the previous slide, this is just another way that you could present bullets in a visual format. Make sure you don't read the slides word for word, and make sure you keep the number of slides in your presentation to a minimum. Don't ramble, hit the high points, and move on. Text should be summarized and not wordy. You can use the slides notes section to remind yourself of important points you want to highlight, and use presenter view of your slides so that you can see your notes and show the slides at the same time. And the bonus, face the camera delivery. You can ditch the slides altogether. You can alternate between live video and slides. Or you can just show your video in the corner like you see in this video. There's so many options to choose from, and the setup really depends on what software that you're using. So it's time for me to wrap this up. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Tia Williams. I've worked in the EdTech space for 15 years, so you should follow me if you want more content that inspires, empowers, and edutains. What's edutainment, you say? Edutainment is the combination of education and entertainment. It basically means I want to fill your brains with knowledge, but I want the content to be enjoyable and fun. So follow me if you like my content. Thanks. Tia out.